You've seen me.
At the Sheldrick Wildlife Trust, and Edwin is my name. And so the Sheldrick Wildlife Trust is a project that was started officially back in the year 1977, after the death of David Sheldrick, who was a naturalist and the senior founder warden of the Lake Sava National Park. David died in 1977, and this project was started in his memory under the management of the widow, who is now the late Dr. Dame Daphne Sheldrick, who's been running the project since then, until about 6 years ago when she passed on, leaving the mandate to her daughter, Angela Sheldrick, who was running the project together with the mother for about 17 years before the mother passed on. And now we are under the management of Angela Sheldrick, the daughter. We are taking care of orphan baby elephants and orphan baby rhinos, and later on reintroducing them back into the wild. And that is why all the babies you're going to see here today are orphans. All have been rescued from different parts of the country. All are having different reasons for being orphans. Some of them, we know exactly what has caused them to be left orphans, and that's why we rescue them. And others, we're really not very sure. Since the others were found when they were still at a very young age, at an age where they would not have survived without the mother's milk, and also without protection against the dangers. That is why we had to come in and help rescue them. A young elephant will need the mother's milk for the first 2 years minimum. And this means if they happen to lose the mother, so they're below 2, they will not survive. They can easily starve to death or can be attacked by the lions and the hyenas and be killed. And so that is the reason why we have to come in, so that we can help rescue them. 100 of them here in the nursery for approximately 3 years. Anytime between the age of 3 and 4, we will start to reintroduce all the elephants back into the wild. We necessarily don't take them where we found them, but we'll always reintroduce them to Tsavo East National Park in Kibwezi Forest. We do have 3 rehabilitation centers. We do have our keepers of these rehabilitation centers. And our keepers will lead the orphans out in the park every day, setting them free in a wild environment so that they can interact, communicate, play, and make friends with lots of other wild elephants or their closest. Some of those are the wild elephants that our orphans will be interacting with, and our ex-orphans that have already become wild. The will do play a big role in welcoming in the new orphans and introducing them to the rest of the park. This will happen every day, where orphans will be set free in the park every morning. Put your hand and shout to question, one at a time if there is any. And here comes the elephants.
Look how quick they come. Oh, yeah. Oh, first to come and get food. Did he enough for everyone?
Ja, kom maar zo foto's.
This one has tusks. Oh, okay. This one has this one. It's a good size. What up? Don't hold the bottle. It's full. Oh. I'll keep a chaser. This one's good.
Ja, das haben wir aber ganz schnell weggeputzt, die erste Flasche.
20 will be coming down, but in two groups. This is the first group of 9. After a few minutes, the 9 will walk away. Another group of 11 will be joining us. We all have names. We've named them after the place to be raised with them for reasons that are posted to the life orphans. Was identified by the rangers just lying down within the park all alone, while at the age of about 3 months. The rangers thought that the mother might be for the mother to come, but after a full day's search, his mother could not appear. He was known from the members. The elephants to get used to everybody as a friend, because we set them free back into the wild. And this is because when you feed them, they trust you. And that's why we only allow a few who are working with them to feed them and not everybody.
First to feed. Yeah, he's looking for his. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, the rest is at 20, right? 9.
Und die Muttermilch.
Obwohl es wird mal Zeit werden.
Muttermilch.
Oder generell was.
I think this
Jakob hat gesagt, er will jetzt auch so eine Milch trinken. Und fragt er
Hey,
mich,
what is this
Jakob,
one?
Ja,
just got the bottle.
die kamen auch immer ganz schnell angepriest.
The other was
Ja, immer schnell.
So if there are more questions, I will go ahead to mention the group that has joined us now. And we'll start with the elephant at the far end on my right. His name is from Amboseli ecosystem. After she had been separated from her family by human beings, and so she's a bit so brown, thin and weak and skinny, a starvation victim due to drought. And that's why we rescued Sheldrick. At the age of the waterhole is Mageno, 3 years old, rescued from Sava Conservation Area, a starvation victim due to drought. Standing inside the waterhole is the naughtiest elephant around. Her name is Weka. She's approximately 3 years, rescued from Sava
He shows
Conservation
that he's
Area,
naughty.
another starvation victim. Next to me is Silaita, 3.5 years, rescued from Samburu after she had been separated from her family by human beings, and so she's a victim of human-wildlife conflict. Right in the middle here is Kitty, 3 years old, rescued from Kitty camp, which is found in Samburu. Identified